So in this video, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot of your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So I'll be showing you in 3 ways: using buttons, using a quick settings shortcut, and using a swipe gesture. So if you're using buttons whenever you want to take a screenshot, then you're going to be using the volume down as well as the side button. So place a finger on side button and one on volume down, and then press both buttons at the same time. And once you've done that, you can see the screenshot appearing on your screen. So when you tap on it and then you select which app you're going to use to view the image, you can see the screenshot has been captured successfully. If you're going to be using the quick settings shortcut to take a screenshot, it's fairly simple. Start by accessing quick settings by swiping down from the top of the screen. Then from here, bring the quick settings menu up and look for the option take screenshot. If you don't find it, then you will need to add it. So to do that, tap on edit and then select edit quick settings. And in the list of available buttons, look for take screenshot and tap on it to add it to the menu. Once it's been added, you can even long press on the screenshot and drag it to whatever position that you want to place it in your quick settings menu. Once you're finished with adding it and moving it around, you then want to tap on done and then select done again to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you bring up the quick settings menu, you should see the option take screenshot. So whenever you want to use this shortcut, you can just tap on it like that and a screenshot will be taken of your device screen. If you decide to use the swipe gesture to take screenshots, you have to start by enabling it. So to do that, open settings and then scroll and select the option advanced features. Tap on motions and gestures and then look for palm swipe to capture and ensure that it's been enabled. Once it's been enabled, it now means that whenever you swipe your palm, so this part right here, across the whole screen of your S24, a screenshot will be taken. So just swipe. And then you can see there, the screenshot has been successfully captured. So you can tap on it and you can even view it from there. You also have the choice of taking a scrolling screenshot. So a scrolling screenshot is just basically a screenshot of a full page, whether it's a web page or it's even the Google Play Store. So in order for you to take the scrolling screenshot, just start by taking a regular old screenshot. And then from here, you should see this scrolling icon appearing in the taskbar. Tap on it once, and then you can see more and more is being added to the thumbnail of the screenshot. So continue tapping on it until you've loaded everything or you've added everything to your screenshot. Bear in mind that the taskbar does disappear after a certain amount of time. So remember to just tap on this icon quickly enough so that your screenshot can be captured. If you want to view the screenshots, then you can just go to the gallery app on your phone, tap on albums and then select screenshots. From here, you should be able to see all the screenshots that you currently have on your S24, including the scrolling screenshots. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this processes, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.